Alright, today I have the Master 996. It is contractor grade, whatever that means. Here's the key. So actually pretty solid. You have some highs and some lows. Hoping this lock puts up more of a fight than the other Master locks I have reviewed so far. Going to use a pry bar in 40 thousandths and the short hook from the Praxis. And I'm really hoping that you'll be able to see this. I haven't found an angle that I really like yet, so. Alright, number one. Set number one. Number three. Set that. Okay. Going back to the front. Another click from one. Just dropped into a slight false set. Oh, alright. That lock is open. So not much of a fight, sadly. Okay, let me just adjust the angle of the camera. There we go. Yeah. I don't know what contractor grade means as far as how secure it is. Where is it? There it is. But this lock, like the others, didn't really put up much of a fight. I know it is a master lock, but this is like a... That's not even unscrewed yet. This is like a $20 lock, so for that price you would hope it put up a little bit more fight. Okay, I had unscrewed it. I was gonna say, have I really not unscrewed it yet? There we go. Okay. Removing the C-clip. It's always a joy. Okay, I'm gonna lock it up again because we do have the key and it's on the outside, so I'll try this little hook from the whatever the name of it is. It's on one of the cheap Chinese websites. There we go. Oh, I almost jabbed my finger. I like watching other lockpickers because it helps me know I'm not the only one that sometimes struggles with these. Wow. Alright, we'll slide it around. Maybe we'll try these. There we go. Okay. So our clip is off. We'll find our key again. Do it slightly so you don't drop anything. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Room for 6, only populated with 5. Number 1. Standard. Same with number 2, 3, and as always I'll show you a close-up at the end. Probably 4 and 5 as well. We'll try 5. Ah, they're not wanting to come out, are they? It's number 4 and number 5. I don't know of any American locks, master locks that have security pins for the key pins. They're normally all just in the drivers. Okay, this one's the front. Let's see what we have here. Just a normal driver pin, then a spool, another spool, yet another one. Oh, and a final one. Springs are all the same. I'm just gonna dump them out here. Grab another pair of tweezers so I can actually grab the springs. I'm a little disappointed there wasn't even a serrated driver pin in here. Normally there's at least one, and there's one more spring that, there we go, didn't want to come up. Alright, let me try to zoom in on these. It's a lot of glare. Sorry about that, hopefully you can see those. I need to work on the lighting. So, that was the Master 996. Would I recommend it for locking something up? Probably not. I mean, it's pretty hefty. It's got a thick shackle. It's solid brass, so it's nice in that sense. It probably would last, moderately long against a physical attack, but the core inside, pretty weak and soft, so I wouldn't recommend it for training or for practicing. I will include a link to this for Amazon and on eBay in the description if anyone's interested. But like I said, this is probably the last video in the Master Lock series. Out of all the ones I've looked at, only the Master 570 do I feel like is really worthwhile for learning on. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and yeah, see you on the next one.